guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing an unboxing video. I got a package from KB Organics, so shout out to them. They are a vegan and natural skincare company. Alright, so and they're also black owned. They make body butters, body scrubs, and what else do they make? And I think they make body soaps as well. Here's their Instagram. Alright, so here's the box. It's a pretty good sized package. Alright, so KB Organics handcrafted skincare. So here's their card. What else is in here? Aw, they have a daily reminder for you. Psalm 31:24. Be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart, all you who hope in the Lord. Amen. I love that. Alright, so the first thing I do see here is this little container. Ooh, what's this? This is sparkling Lishy whipped body butter. Okay, so this is a sample size. Ooh, this smells really good. I like this one. So with this one too, this one has like a mango smell to it. It smells really good. Oh, and the texture is really nice too. Yeah. Ooh, look at the glow on this. What? I love the glow on this. It's very nice. And it smells really good too. For this to be a simple size, this is a good amount that's in here. Putting this all over my body. It smells good. All right, so this one here is the exfoliating body scrub. Give me some sugar. Oh, that's a nice, it's like a nice rose smell. It's really good. I cannot wait to use this in the shower. The next one is their body butter. And it's give me some sugar. This one smells more like a, ooh, damn. Oh, it like melts, damn. This one's more like a vanilla scent to it. This one melts, like. I'm gonna just try this on my other hand. There you go. Yeah, see, with their body butter, it literally has a nice glow to it. And it smells so good. Oh, do you guys see that? Look at the glow. And then it comes with this little scooper, I believe for the, what is it, for the exfoliating scrubs. And the last thing I do have in the package, you guys, is this. You know what I think that's going to be in here? I think it's their body oil. Just filling it. I think that's what it is. Yep, I was right. Their body oil. This is the Give Me Sugar body oil. This is something that I'll definitely use during the winter time, because as you guys know, during the summertime, I personally don't use body oil just because of the heat and all that. I just don't do that. But I cannot wait to use this for the winter. This smells like almond and vanilla. It smells delicious. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all the products that they've given me. I'm very, very excited. Again, thank you, KB Organics, for all these goodies. I cannot wait to try them. I will also leave their Instagram and their official website down below in the description box. Make sure you guys go check them out. And that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see more unboxing video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.